If you're a content creator or a YouTuber, then you want to make sure that the sound you are using on your content are copyright free. I'm going to be showing you how to get copyright free music or song for your video content. If this is what you're interested in, you want to keep watching. Before we get started, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Linda Tony and welcome to my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, like this video, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, and please help me to share this video. And also for my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and thank you for always liking my video. So let's get right into the video of the day. Today we are going to be talking about copyright free music. I really want to stress on this because this is one of the biggest problems a lot of new content creator or new YouTuber face or make when they are starting video content. When you use copyrighted song in your video, it will not only affect your content, but it will affect your channel in the future. Trust me, as a YouTuber, you don't want to get copyrighted claim or strike on your channel. Once you get 3 strikes, your channel will be automatically deleted from YouTube. Like, bye-bye. Like, no more. All your hard work is gone. Like, all your suffering, hard work for how many years is gone. And one of the scary parts of YouTube is your account can be deleted. Like, that part scared me a lot. For me, I have some couple of ways you can source for your music. Because I don't want a situation where I don't have the liberty to monetize my content or my channel because there is a claim, a copyright claim on my content or a strike on my channel. Or someone will lay a claim on my digital product because I use a song that is being copyrighted. I don't want that to happen, so that's why I'm always careful with the kind of music I used on my content, most especially for this YouTube platform. So I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of ways you can source for copyright free music here on YouTube and also off YouTube. I'm going to show you the free and the paid ones. You want to go for the free version and see how it works. One of the first places you can search for copyright free music is from YouTube. YouTube has amazing audio library which you can use to source for music for your video content here on YouTube. And guess what? It's for free. So the first step here to access this, you are going to go to your studio YouTube. So let me show you how you are going to do that. You go to Google and you search for studio.youtube.com. Then you go. So now this is where this particular studio YouTube, this is where you will get your music. This is where you can get your music library. So what we are going to do here, we are going to just look for the option. We are going to scroll down and look for the audio library. So this is the audio library. So here you can see they have varieties of songs you can use for your YouTube videos. So they have different feelings. They have the one for if you want dramatic, calm song, your mood. They have different moods here: dramatic, calm, angry. If you're angry, if you romantic, whatever, anyone you want here, you can just go ahead and click on it. So to download this song, what you are going to do, you just click on the one you want. For example, you click on the one you want here. Once you click on it, it's going to write here download. You see, once you click on any music here, you will see where the road download at the extreme end. Then you're going to click on that download to download the music. So this, you can see here, it's road download. So this is just how you can download the music to your music library in your phone or to your file and you use it for your video content. This is just basically how you can source for music from YouTube audio library here on YouTube. So this, and you also have audio sound effect, which is also for free here on YouTube audio libraries. YouTube are just giving you free music sound on a platter of gold. You don't need to pay anything. You don't have any strike or claims on your video content. And as a new YouTuber, I would say you should explore this option before you start going for the paid version. And for this YouTube audio library, the songs used there are only meant for YouTube. You don't need to take it out of YouTube to use it maybe in your Facebook platform or your Instagram or TikTok. No, it's just only for YouTube. So maybe if you go and use it in other platform, I guess you might get a copyright infringement claim. So but for YouTube here, it's for free. So this is the one I will highly recommend to anybody here on YouTube, because it's YouTube that provided this music and you can't have any problem with this music when you use them on your video content. Another one here, you can search on YouTube for copyright free music. According to my research, the problem with this particular one here, searching for copyrighted free music here on YouTube, is you don't know you can't predict what the creator will do next. For example, maybe now the music is for free, maybe next year the person might put a copyright claim on the music. I won't really recommend this particular option. There are different channels that provide copyright free music here on YouTube. You just have to go to your YouTube channel and you click on the search bar to search for copyright free music. You click on that. So once you click on that, there are varieties of them. Look at this one. You have the royalty free music. So maybe let's just take a look at this royalty free music. So once you take a look at this royalty free music, then you click on, then let's just click on this particular song. Then what you want to do here, once you get to this particular channel, the first thing to do here is to go to the description of this video. For this type of music you search on YouTube here, you might have to like give the artist some credits, like you write the name of the artist, the name of the song, and also you can put the link or the number of the license in your description. So for example, now like here now in this particular song, now you can see here they wrote the name of the song, the name of the artist, like where the song is coming from, the platform. They also gave the license code to this particular song. They also give the license code to this particular song. So if you use this particular music now on any of your video content on YouTube here, so you have to like give credit to the artist or the platform, and also provide the license code. So what you have to just look out for when getting copyright free music for your videos here on YouTube. You know, if you have to give credit to the artist, or you have to write the license code in your description before using that particular song. So this particular one, I won't really recommend this, because like I said before, you don't know you cannot predict the creator of the song, because today the music might be free, tomorrow they might place a copyright on it. So you don't know how it will play out in future. So, and you don't want to get involved in such a mess, because it's so hurtful and so painful that you create a video that is doing very, very well on YouTube here, but you cannot earn money from it because of what there's a claim on that particular video. So you have to be careful when choosing music to use for your video. Most especially for this YouTube platform, you have to really be careful when placing songs on your video. When using music for your video, you have to really, really be careful. So there are other copyright free music platforms you can also look out for and check if you can use their music. But while doing this, like I said before, make sure you read their description, make sure you read the platform very well, know their rules, know if you have to give credit to the artist, and if you have to put the link to the license code in your description box. There are so many of these copyright free options. We have the Tune Tank, we have the Upper Beats. Also good in terms of finding varieties of options for your vlog or for your video here on YouTube. And also not just only getting the right song or varieties of song, they also provide alongside with the licensing for that particular song. Like for me, I will say it today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, I just stick to my YouTube audio library. Go to YouTube audio library and you're going to see lots and lots of music there. They might not suit your taste, yeah, but I guess there are some that will be okay and manageable to use on your video. The next one here is the paid copyright free music. If you want to upgrade the quality of your content, or you feel like you want to invest in the future for your content, then I would suggest you should go for the paid version. This is mostly is for those that are doing the vlog. Those that are doing the vlog need this music a lot in their vlogging, because it keeps your audience entertained, like glue them to your channel. So if you know you want to like invest in this, or you want to upgrade, or you want to step up your video quality here on YouTube, then I'll say you should go for the paid version. So there are varieties of paid version for this copyright music. There are varieties of the paid version. We have leaked, we have epidemic sound, we have leaked, but I'm going to just talk about the epidemic sound. For this epidemic sound, as of early this year, when I researched about the epidemic sound, when I got to the platform, I also noticed that in the epidemic sound, you have a free trial of 30 days before you can now pay for the subscription. Like you can do it monthly, you can do it yearly. For the epidemic sound, you just have to go to your Google and you type in epidemicsound.com. Then once you click on it, you're going to see options. They'll tell you try for free. So the try for free, before you try for free, you're going to put your account details there. You're going to get in 30 days free trial. So for personal, you have to like pay and €10.99. For commercial, to pay €19.99, which is €20. So this is a lot. Like, this is a lot, and I won't say as a new YouTuber you should go ahead with this, because you have not started earning from it, and it's not something that you have to start spending that kind of amount of money for something like this. So I'm going to say, for now, you just go with your free version. This is just it about Epidemic. But one thing I love about this Epidemic, even if you don't subscribe to Epidemic and you use their song for the free 30 days trial, use their song, even after using their song, I didn't go ahead to subscribe to it, Epidemic won't lay claims under your song. They won't lay claims. Like, they are going to enjoy your song, they are going to just enjoy your content forever. They won't link claim. That's just one thing I like about Epidemic. And even if you subscribe to Epidemic and you decide in the future that you don't want to go ahead with them again, you want to unsubscribe, those videos that you posted like long time ago with their sound, they won't link claims under your video. You understand? So this is just one thing I love about Epidemic. And also, for Epidemic too, you can also connect all your social media handles to Epidemic. So that's one advantage about Epidemic. If you subscribe to Epidemic, you are not just only putting your YouTube, you're not only using their song to your YouTube channel. You can also, one thing I want you to do, or one thing that will be of advantage to you, is to get all your channels and connect all of them to Epidemic, so that once you post your video on Facebook or on YouTube or on Instagram or anywhere, they will know that it is one person that have this particular social media handles, and you subscribe to their channel. So they won't lay any claims on your video. So I'm going to just say that in the future, if I decide to subscribe to the paid version, I think I'm going to go with Epidemic, or I go with Leak. So the next one here for the paid version is Leak. Leak allow you to use song legally in your video, because this leak in particular, they work directly with the artist of the song, or they work directly with the company that manage that song. So this is just one thing I like about Leak. So sometimes if you go to social media, if you go to this YouTube channel, I see some channels that are using songs that I know that all these foreign songs, or all these songs I know that they have copyright claim on it. I know, but they use it on their video. I'm like, how are they using it? When I got to research about it, I noticed that it was leaked. Like, if they're subscribed to Leak, they have the liberty to use any of the songs they want to use, and there will be no claim on the song. And if you subscribe to Leak, before you post your video, you're going to keep it in the on Leaks. So Leak are going to look at it. When they look at it, any claim on that video or any copyright infringement on that video, as long as you subscribe to Leak, they are going to remove it before your video will be made public to other people. So that is how it is. So Leak is another platform that I'll be like, I suggest to those that want to go for the paid version. You can as well go ahead to subscribe to Leak, or subscribe to Epidemic. These are so amazing. This platform are so amazing. In fact, there are many of them, but just that I just pick a few. I just pick these two to talk about. So you can as well go ahead and browse about it and that. So this is just basically how to get music for your video content. So I really like you to take your music and the sound you use on your video as important as you take your camera quality, your microphone, your lighting. So if you don't have license to a particular song, or you're not sure of the license to a particular music, don't use it on your video, because it will be so painful and so annoying that you use that particular music on your video content, and that video content is doing so well on YouTube, but you cannot monetize it. So what's the essence? So I'll say, if you're not sure of the licensing for a particular music, don't use it. Just forget about it. So that is all I have to say for now. So in case you enjoyed these videos, let me know in the comment section. So thank you all for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, you like this video, and share this video to lots of people. See you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.